Hello and welcome to PDJ Vibro. Today we're looking at this Parts Exchange TBT 75. It's a 75 litre machine from our economy range that a client has parts exchanged into a larger unit. So this one's come into us, we've completely stripped it down and rebuilt it. It's got a great cross section on there, so you've got a decent range of parts in there. It's got around 30mm of lining. Often on these types of machines elsewhere, not from us, but elsewhere, you can see those are just 15mm. So it's going to last you a long time, this unit. It's going to come with a proper warranty. So not only will it do your deburring, polishing and super finishing, if you decide that you want to upgrade it to a larger unit or more complicated unit, you're more than welcome to do so. So to learn more, arrange a visit or arrange samples, why not give us a call today? We'd love to help.